This is your website address. This is your website menu. This is your drop-down menu. This is your title, subtitle, logo, site identity. This is your header image, and this is a page.